everybody doing? Hope y'all having an amazing day, you amazing people. I'm gonna do 2 today. I feel like opening 2 zombies. I got the RV zombie. That's the back looks like. And the cell block flu walker. Look at that. This one, we're going to start with the RV because it happened first. Andrea was stuck in the bathroom and stabbed your boy dead in the eye. And they got the screwdriver to put in his eye. That's awesome. His head's about cut off. There he is. Anyway. Cell block flu walker. I don't know if this is that Patrick kid. I can't remember.
What happened in there?
Patrick got sick last night. Some kind of flu. It moves fast. We think he died and attacked the cell block. Look, I know he was your friend.
I know. They were worried about the flu. Carol burnt them bodies. I don't know which person this is supposed to be that got the flu. That's what he looks like. Pretty good articulation. Put him how you want. Do stanky leg. Stanky leg. Alright, y'all. Y'all know what to do. Like, subscribe. Thank you. Love you.